Happening today, the substitute teacher who is accused of sexually assaulting a sixth grader appeared back in court today.
32-year-old Ellie Bardfield was arrested in April by Mount Zion police on charges of grooming and predatory criminal sexual assault of a child under the age of 13. News Channel 20's Julia Rosier joins us with the details. Julia?
Don Stacy, Ellie Bardfield appeared in the courtroom again this morning for a pretrial hearing. I spoke with the Macon County State's Attorney to get an update on the case. State's Attorney Scott Reeder says Tuesday's hearing was mostly procedural as both sides prepare to go to trial. He says right now the defense and prosecution are still working and are in the process of gathering evidence.
Once we get through the discovery process, that's when things really start to happen. And so that's ongoing, and we're getting them all the information that they are asking for or want, and we'll see what they in return have to give us, if anything.
Reeder says this case could go to trial as early as September, but it depends on how long the preparations take for both sides. Bardfield is in custody of the Macon County Jail. She's scheduled to be back in court in August. In studio, I'm Julia Rosier. Back to you.
Thank you, Julia. The family of the victim filed a new complaint against Bardfield, the Decatur Public School District, and the Board of Education.
New details. The substitute teacher who is accused of sexually assaulting a sixth grader appeared back in court today. The Macon County State's Attorney says Tuesday's pretrial hearing was mostly procedural as both sides are still gathering evidence. 32-year-old Ellie Bardfield was arrested in April by Mount Zion police on charges of grooming and predatory criminal sexual assault of a child under 13. Now, a new complaint has been filed by the minor's family against Bardfield, Decatur Public Schools, and the school board. News Channel 20's Julia Rosier is working for you on what this new complaint means and where the case stands. Julia?
Stacy, this new complaint was filed by the victim's parents on June 28th. It claims that Decatur Public Schools and its school board knew or should have known that Bardfield was unfit to serve as a substitute teacher because she did not complete trainings regarding sexual misconduct and grooming as required by Illinois state law. The family of a Decatur Public Schools sixth grader is suing the school district after the arrest of one of their son's substitute teachers. 32-year-old Ellie Bardfield was arrested in April by Mount Zion police on charges of grooming and predatory criminal sexual assault of a child under 13. In the lawsuit, the family is accusing the school board, the district, and Bardfield of a number of charges related to the incident, including the infliction of emotional distress and negligence. According to the claim, the parents of the victim allege that Bardfield did not have the state-required training on adult sexual misconduct, ethics on sexual misconduct, recognizing and reporting child abuse, and Title IX. It goes on to say that the district was aware that Bardfield did not complete these trainings. The plaintiffs argue that as a result, the school district, quote, knew or should have known that Bardfield was, quote, unfit for the position based on her failing to complete these trainings. The family also claims that this is part of a larger pattern of misconduct among DPS employees, and the district should have been aware of Bardfield's conduct with students in the months leading up to her arrest. In the lawsuit, the claim maintains the board, quote, had a duty to supervise its agent or employee in the everyday function and responsibilities at Hope Academy. We also reached out to the Decatur Public Schools. They said no one was available today for an interview. In studio, I'm Julia Rosier. Back to you.
Thanks for that update, Julia. Bardfield is in custody in Macon County Jail. Her next pretrial hearing will be August 29th. Thanks for watching. Stick around by subscribing today and don't miss a single video.